The case against Constable Andrew Wilson, who was charged in connection with the fatal shooting of 45-year-old Latoya Buju Bulgin, has been transferred to the St. James Circuit Court. Prosecutors withdrew the matter from the St. James Parish Court after entering a nolle prosequi and filing a voluntary bill of indictment, allowing the case to proceed directly in the higher court. Now, the move enables the prosecution to bypass preliminary hearings in the lower court, expediting the trial process. Constable Wilson was re-granted bail in the sum of $1 million. His attorney, King's Counsel Peter Champagny, said the constable is scheduled to return to court on October 9 for a case management hearing. Now, according to data from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, since January 2024, 66 law enforcement officers have been charged in relation to incidents investigated by INDICOM. Of that total, 10 JCF police officers and 1 correctional officer were charged in 2026.